Alright guys, back at it again with another video. We're finally taking the GTI out tonight. We're gonna test it out after such a long time. Excited to take this thing out, man. We're gonna see how it does. We are, I guess, kind of a little bit running behind time, so we're gonna head out in just a sec. There should be some good cars out there. It's been a while since we brought this thing out, so let's see how it goes tonight, guys. Super excited. So loud, bro. Oh my god. Yeah.
Is it that he got good brakes or he needs some?
Yeah, it's one or the other. Here we are, guys. Another night. Yeah, bringing this thing out. Should be a lot of fun. There's a lot of cars out tonight, so there's a lot of potential. Yeah, and we got the M2 out here tonight with us.
We're gonna be in.
Looking real nice. Hey, you gotta race the truck though. You gotta race this truck from a 40. Like, yeah, no, this one right here with the no bed.
You're just missing the truck, man.
That's why you gotta race this one.
That's a lot of weight saving.
Oh my god, there's no bumper, bro.
Oh shit. You take a lay back there?
Yeah. No tarp, no nothing. Yeah, but it got the, it's on the tire though.
See, if it's all-wheel drive, yeah, I don't know about that.
Oh, that shit is like, it's probably gutted inside too. Nah, it's like stock. Oh, it's just a two-seater, bro. Yeah, I thought it was like the you know, like the four-seater ones.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Yeah, the RPFs on the. Oh, we got some BRZs out here. What? Look at this one. We got the RPFs. Look at that. Honestly, I haven't seen a BRZ come out here like this since like 2017, 2018. When they were like more like popular. So like now that I see one here, I'm like looking for the intercooler. Where's the intercooler?
Yeah.
I'm like, it's gotta be boosted or something for it to be out here like that. I don't know. I don't see an intercooler there. And maybe it's just NA and they're just out here to try it out. Yeah. Porsche SUV. That'd be interesting. Yeah, lots of cars out tonight. We got the whole biker squad. It's a red Z06 C7 Mustang with the whole carbon front end, fenders and all. Got the tires.
Christ, this looks mean.
Yeah.
This looks fucking mean.
This one bagged. That's bagged WRX. Look at the CTSV. It got the camo in the back. Let's check it out from the front.
These are really big. They're not supercharged, right?
No, they are. They're supercharged, yeah. Yeah, they're supercharged. I think this is the Gen 3 or 2? Oh shit, what's up, bro? Yeah, chilling, man. I saw you were parked over there. Yeah, you see where I parked? I'm over there. Yeah, somewhere over there. Yeah.
I'm trying to move, like, you know, so like be able to like roll out with you.
Oh, excuse me. Oh shit.
Stay the fuck out of the left 2 lanes. We do not need any accidents. And if you're one of those people that are catching a lane,
Guess I'll see the highway.
Oh yeah. See ya. There's a lot of cars out here tonight, so we got variety. I think this is a boosted Civic. Is it? I don't know. Look at all these cars out here. Oh man. Got the Q, the 2 Qs right here. Oh yeah. Subaru. I think so. Boy got caught. Well, guys, there you have it. Another roll night for the GTI in the books. This was a lot of fun. Bunch of cars that came out. Whoever lined up with us, we tried it out. Overall, it was fun. I think out of everything, the Corvette was probably my favorite run. I love Corvettes. They look good. They're always pretty quick, so I've always liked going up against them. Win or lose, doesn't matter. Overall, the GTI was good. We didn't really have any issues, anything like that. I'm just surprised that this car is still holding up the way how it is with this setup. We're still on the same sax clutch from stage 2 days when I was just sneaky tune E30. The 6-speed and everything, like, it's just, this car surprises me every single time, and I say this time and time and again. It's just, this platform, this motor, everything is really nice for it to be pushing this amount of power. One day I'll get it dyno tuned. I know I've been saying that before, and I just never got around to doing it, but guarantee you it'll happen someday. That video will get posted. Just, I don't know yet, but we'll schedule something pretty soon and get some actual power figures for you guys so you can see the actual numbers. So overall, but it was some good runs. I enjoyed the GTI rolling through the gears and, you know, bringing this thing out, stretching out the legs as they call it, right? I wish I could run more cars. I always say that, right? The Trackhawks or other Hellcats and everything. But this is what we lined up against with tonight. I still think it was a decent variety. Upgraded turbo Type R, the Corvette, another GTI, decent variety, and there's a bunch of BMWs that came out and whatnot. So, but overall, some good runs, man. Definitely let me know which one was your favorite. Drop it in the comments down below, and if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you so much, and hope to catch you on the next one. Peace.